about Jesus as according to John chapter 6 from verse 16 to verse 24. Jesus walk on water. When evening come, Jesus special follower them go down at the lake and them go in a one boat to go to Capernaum. By the time it did dark and Jesus named the which part them did they yet. When them did across the lake, one strong piece of breeze start blow and the water start get well rough. After them row and row for about 3 or 4 miles, them see Jesus a walk by the water and come at the boat. And then catch them afraid. But him said to them, "I'm me man, nobody afraid." Them did glad for take him in at the boat, and same time, the boat reached the place where part them did make for go. The next day, the crowd of people were did over the other side of the lake. Sissy did hungry one boat over there, and that Jesus name go in it with him follower them. But them did go and left him. Then now, some boat come in from Tiberias and second side of which part the people them name the food after the Lord did give thanks for it. So, when the people them see Jesus and him follower them name there, them go in at the boat them and go to Capernaum to look for Jesus. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.